In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money with the referral program of Fiverr. So here I am on Fiverr and I'm going to show you how you can earn some commissions by referring people to Fiverr. What you want to do once you log in on Fiverr, you want to hit your profile picture and then you want to go and hit refer and get up to $100. So what you can do here, this is your invite link, and basically how this works. Every time someone buys an offer or buys a gig, through your link, you can get up to $100 in commission. So here, spread the word by email or with your link via social media. So basically the marketing, your friend signs up for Fiverr and get 10% of their first purchase. So the nice thing, you can say, if you want to plan and buy something from Fiverr and you want 10% off, you can use this link. So they have something as well. So they get 10% off. So it's not only that you get something, but they get something as well. And that's really good. You also get 10% of their first order amount up to $100. So if they buy something of $1,000, you can get $100. If they buy something from $200, you get 20, etc., etc. So we can go ahead and copy this link. And what you definitely shouldn't do is just copy this raw link and spam it everywhere. That does not work. What you want to do, and what I did myself as well, and what I see a lot of people doing that are making crazy money with the referral program, is they create a YouTube video and they call it I created a YouTube video with only Fiverr. That's an example title. They go through the process buying a scriptwriter, a thumbnail maker, everything like that, till they have the video. And after that, they say, if you want to do it yourself, you can go to the link in the description, and people are really engaged because they just saw the video, and otherwise they wouldn't click on the title or on the video. They think maybe that they should do it themselves as well. They go to the link in the description, they hit the Fiverr link, and then once they sign up and create it as well, the creator of the video of this link gets the commission. You can do that with YouTube videos. You can also do it on a website. So let's say you own a website and you want to earn some commissions. You can make a blog about how Fiverr works, some how-tos, some tutorials, and then you can just put the link in here, how to sign up for a Fiverr account. You have to go to this link, and once they do it, again, you get a commission. So that's what I would recommend you to do. Absolutely don't just spam this raw link online. That doesn't work. Really do it in a good way that it looks legit. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day.